So today we are making a flatbread pizza. It's going to be Mexican style, hence the sour cream. Okay. Ooh, okay. Come through Snapchat. Let's see how long it lasts, okay? Why do I sound like a drag queen? I'm not. I'm straight. And I'm a woman, so I can be a drag queen if I wanted to. So what I'm doing is I'm shredding up the beef. I have a pulled pork beef that we smoked from a cookout earlier. Okay, hey, regular video. We went back to normal, so no more Snapchat. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I can't have anything without meat. I don't know how vegetarians do it, but I'm not a vegetarian. So today we're not gonna try any veggie things. I like my meat. Okay, I don't know, just awkwardly place it onto the pizza wherever you feel like it's needed. So, I know y'all probably like, this is gonna be fucking gross, which, you know, last time I didn't have this on it, I had chicken on it. The chicken really wasn't that good. Like, I like chicken, just not on my pizza. That's the way it goes. This is what sets the pizza apart from all pizzas, okay? If you're ready to have a pizza that beats all the other pizzas you had, you have to go use some freaking pico de gallo with mangoes in them. The fruitiness, I didn't do that more dramatic. The fruitiness is so delicious in these guys. So, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna learn how to open it because I haven't. Then once you do, you're just gonna go drop it in my comments and then we'll resume. Just kidding, I got it. Okay. Now the thing about this salsa though, which I don't know if it's all salsa, which like a real cook could probably tell me, but I'm just gonna be like, yo, it goes so bad so fast. Like for something that's so good, it goes bad so fast. Fast. You heard me? So I'm just gonna scoop. I love the mangoes, so I make sure I get like lots of mangoes. Okay, I wash my hands, guys. I'm not dirty. Anyways, and you're just gonna all over the pizza. You can even make sound effects. I feel like it makes it more fun. If you wanted to get real dirty, you can just pick it up with your hands and put it all over your pizza, which I do because it's my pizza. I don't fucking care. Mango, 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 mango everywhere. Oh my god, guys, and I'm just like a mango too. Am I yellow? Let's not tell anybody I just did that, okay? Okay. If you responded to that, you better have went, oh. If you didn't, please quit watching my videos. Just kidding. Okay, I also like to get a little juice because I like the flavor of this salsa, y'all. Like, I'm supposed to be Mexican. Just drizzle that juice. You like that word? Drizzle that juice. Okay, we drizzle the juice, whatever. Yeah. It was big. It really ain't that big, y'all. I just hit my head on that. Don't tell anybody. So, I'm a cheesehead. I love cheese. So I'm gonna use 2 types of cheese. I get real Italian mozzarella. Yum. By the way, all of this, I got this from Aldi's, okay? And I got a whole bunch of other shit for only $120. I fucking love Aldi's, and you should too. Go shop Aldi's. I'm not sponsored by them, but I should be after that message. Crumble it. It's a pull apart cheese. It stays like that, and you have to crumble it and move it around and kind of make it whatever you want it. You're just gonna put it all over your pizza, okay? Y'all, this cheese is so good. It's like, I don't know what it's like. It's mozzarella fucking cheese, but it's good, okay? Okay. I think that's enough mozzarella cheese. Now I'm gonna go in with my good old Colby Chat cheese. If you're a real G, you would have like 3 Mexican cheese. I feel like that would be really good on this, but you know, I don't have it, so whatever. See, I feel like this is why this is a good cooking tutorial, because I'm just an average person. I'm not a fucking chef. And if you can tell, I'm not a fucking professional YouTuber because my hair, it looks like shit. But that's cool, so we're not gonna talk about it. Anyways, I feel like I need more juice, so. I told you I like the juice. Okay, so what you didn't see, if you could only see my footwork, I'm just kidding. What you didn't see is me cooking this pita bread. This pita bread, it comes in a pack. It's this brand. So fucking good. Like, I could literally just eat the bread. It's so delicious. Okay, anyways, but it doesn't stay good for that long. Like I told y'all, everything that's fucking good, like, it's just dead in 2 days. Is that what happened to Michael Jackson? Is that what happened to Prince? We need answers, Way. We need answers. Okay, anyways, besides those answers, because I probably won't get them anytime soon, pita bread, buy it at Aldi's, buy it at Walmart. I really don't care where you buy it from, but just know that you're gonna cook it on 400 degrees, okay? For 7 minutes, okay? 7 whole minutes. Not a minute more, not a minute less. If you do it a minute more, it's gonna burn. Do it a minute less, it's just not as good. So just 7 minutes, okay? 7 minutes in heaven, 400 degrees. All right. So our pizza is done. I don't want to tilt it. It's a far away view. Let me get you close up. Yum. So now it's time to cut your pizza and bite into deliciousness. Yum. I'm sure that wasn't sexy at all, but